Hey there, explorers. I'm Captain Coral, and I got my flippers on and goggles ready because today we're diving into the amazing, mysterious ocean. Did you know the ocean is home to more creatures than all the land on Earth combined? It's like a giant blue city, and each part has something special. Right now, I'm swimming over a coral reef that's like the ocean's neighborhood. These reefs are made by tiny animals called coral polyps, and they build rocky homes that fish love to live in. Whoa. Look at the fish over there. They're super brave and live inside sea anemones, which are like wiggly underwater flowers. The anemone keeps the fish safe, and the fish keeps it clean. That's called teamwork, or in science words, symbiosis. The ocean is also full of hidden helpers, like sea turtles that eat jellyfish and keep things balanced, and sea stars that clean the ocean floor. Every creature has a job to do, even the teeny tiny plankton you can't see. But our ocean needs us too. When we recycle, use less plastic, and keep beaches clean, we help protect this underwater world. Alright, crew, it's time to swim back up. But don't forget, the ocean is full of surprises, and there's always more to learn. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.